more and more people are calling because they want to upgrade the curb appeal of their front door. The biggest sign you need a new front door, though, is it's not opening properly. So we get calls all the time. People say, it's really hard to lock. I could lock it, but my significant other cannot. So if your door is not locking easily, that's a problem. If you have a wood door, there's all kinds of splitting or rotting. That's also a big issue. Another sign that we see is if you're seeing tons of daylight come through your door, you're seeing a ton of cold air, a ton of hot air, you're seeing snow and moisture. And so when that happens, that's a pretty important time to think about how can you get a new door. So obviously do you see sunlight? It's super cold and you have air coming in. Is the door rotting? Is it splitting? Another thing more and more that we're seeing is that the door's so out of place. And so there's a lot of doors in Kansas City that were installed in the 70s and the 80s that have kind of no place with today's curb appeal. So there's a lot of people that just want to upgrade the curb appeal, make sure they have a functional door that can open and last long term. So one of the things that we see is, so obviously most people, their front doors open. But a lot of people who had different doors in their home that aren't even functional. So if you have a back door, garage door that doesn't open at all, you might want to think about, for safety, for functionality, you might want to think about upgrading and actually a door that can open for you. But a door not being able to open or open very poorly is a huge red flag, and you might want to consider upgrading.